Have you ever been in a situation where you needed to make a large purchase or transfer a significant amount of money, but you were unable to do so because your bank account had a limit? If so, you're not alone. Many people are unaware of the limitations that their bank places on their accounts. In this video, we're going to discuss what Monese bank limits are and how they can affect you. What is Monese? Monese is a mobile-only bank that offers a range of financial services, including current accounts, debit cards, and personal loans. Monese is a popular choice for people who are looking for a convenient and affordable banking solution. What are Monese bank limits? Monese bank limits are the maximum amounts of money that you can deposit, withdraw, or transfer from your account in a given period of time. These limits are in place to protect Monese from fraud and money laundering. What are the different types of Monese bank limits? There are three main types of Monese bank limits. Daily limits. These are the maximum amounts of money that you can deposit, withdraw, or transfer from your account in a single day. Weekly limits. These are the maximum amounts of money that you can deposit, withdraw, or transfer from your account in a single week. Monthly limits. These are the maximum amounts of money that you can deposit, withdraw, or transfer from your account in a single month. What are the default Monese bank limits? The default Monese bank limits are as follows. Daily limits, £2,500. Weekly limits, £10,000. Monthly limits, £20,000. How can I increase my Monese bank limits? There are a few ways to increase your Monese bank limits. Verify your identity. Once you have verified your identity, your daily limits will increase to £5,000, your weekly limits will increase to £20,000, and your monthly limits will increase to £40,000. Upgrade your account. Monese offers two paid tiers, Classic and Premium. If you upgrade your account to Classic, your daily limits will increase to £10,000, your weekly limits will increase to £40,000, and your monthly limits will increase to £80,000. If you upgrade your account to Premium, your daily limits will increase to £20,000, your weekly limits will increase to £80,000, and your monthly limits will increase to £160,000. Provide additional documentation. If you need to make a transaction that exceeds your limits, you can provide Monese with additional documentation to verify your identity and source of funds. What are the consequences of exceeding my Monese bank limits? If you attempt to make a transaction that exceeds your limits, your transaction will be declined. You may also be charged a fee. In some cases, Monese may even suspend your account. How can I avoid exceeding my Monese bank limits? There are a few things you can do to avoid exceeding your Monese bank limits. Plan your transactions in advance. If you know you need to make a large transaction, make sure you have enough funds in your account before you attempt to do so. Use multiple accounts. If you need to make large transactions, you can use multiple Monese accounts to spread out the amount. Upgrade your account. If you frequently make large transactions, you may want to upgrade your account to a higher tier. Monese bank limits are in place to protect Monese from fraud and money laundering. However, they can also be inconvenient for customers who need to make large transactions. If you are concerned about Monese bank limits, there are a few things you can do to increase your limits or avoid exceeding them. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.